Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on the euro currency. So yesterday we've got another downside session. Yesterday so price action here. It was not really very strong, but still market slowly but stubbornly is coming lower. It's going lower. So in general it seems that our worries were correct when we said, well, this is too small reaction when the market just bounced down from the weekly confidence resistance and weekly overbought, and its reaction has to be stronger. At least I'd suggest that it should be stronger, because here market hasn't reached even the 30% support. When market meets strong weekly resistance, especially it's accompanied by the overbought, so it usually triggers more significant retracement, even not the 30%, but in most cases it's more significant, and daily could reach oversold. So market from the weekly overbought easily could drop to the daily oversold area. But here we do not see it. Still, market still creeping lower, and we still keep in focus this area. So we started to talk about it 2 weeks ago. Market unfortunately, or maybe fortunately, but hasn't come to it yet. But it doesn't diminish the importance of this level. And on the daily chart, this is major primary area where we consider taking the long position, especially if market completes here ABCD pattern that we have pointed. That in turn also confirms our suggestion that this probably will be just a reaction on the support. Hardly it will become the major resistance, and yes, the price actions also confirms that. So take a look at the 4 time frame chart. Recall what was said yesterday that market should hold. If it really intends to turn up, it has to hold in this area, showing reversal and starting with this reverse head and shoulders upward action, but this hasn't happened. That also means that that was a reaction on support agreement area. So this was the OP target with the fib level. It's normal pullback. Harmonic swing is completed to the upside, and general market right now stands in a kind of the flag or maybe downside channel, still keeping inside of it. So today's Friday, so hardly we will plan today some long-lasting trades. Probably we will focus on the next week already, what we could get. But still, in today action, we could get the following price behavior. So take a look. That here was actually our recent fib support. If you remember, yesterday we talked about this pattern, A, B, C top. That was the XOP in agreement with the major 618 support area. This level is more than enough to hold any real bullish market. So if market really bullish and it's forming reversal, that level is more than enough to hold any retracement and to turn price to the upside. If this hasn't happened, it means that market is not bullish. That's a very simple logic. And that hasn't happened, as you can see. So market not just has broken this level, but take a look, it shows the acceleration of the breakout. So that's bad sign. It's not really good. Since this pattern is not valid anymore, we need to more extensions to the downside, and we turn to these more extended pattern, ABC top here. XOP is 118.15 area. This market should reach it. XOP hasn't touched. Here is acceleration. It means the most probable pattern that we will get is butterfly. It's 127 extension agrees with this level. So that's the minimal target that market probably will hit today. And I will not be surprised if euro will even try to take it out of these lows and shows downside acceleration. Because besides of this minor pattern, we also have head and shoulders, and head and shoulders stands in a stage of the failure. Failure of the head and shoulders, and it always leads to the drop below the head. And it means that we will get market below this area, which in turn lead it to next target, next destination point, our conference support on the daily chart. That's what I intend to get in the nearest few sessions. I'm not sure that's definitely will happen today, but well, in the perspective of the few sessions, maybe in the beginning of the next week, we probably should get it. So, but in today's session, that's the pattern that could be formed. Maybe some reaction will be also on this butterfly on target. It's also support area, so some pullback here could happen. That's probably all that market will be able to do in time till the end of this trading week and trading session. So, but currently, definitely overall context and sentiment doesn't look bullish yet. So market seems still tending lower to the more significant support area and showing strong reaction and weekly resistance. That's our view currently on the euro.